Yeah, guys. So you guys have set up IP address for your local machine who are uninstall and install the OS on your VM. So day 1 to day 10 every day need to delete the VM and install the VM. Install the CentOS 7 guys. Please do day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, day 6, day 7, day 8, day 9, day 10. So what you guys can do, delete the VM, delete the CentOS 7 and install the CentOS 7. CentOS 7. Yes. Guys, please practice this from day 1 to day 10. Okay?
Okay,
Guys, understood?
yeah, bro. Bro, after the deleting Central 7 and after that only IP address is not coming. I tried.
You tried,
Yes, bro,
but
I
no
tried.
luck.
No, no, it not came.
So what you did? So did you follow the recording?
Yes, bro, I follow the recording.
So where you stuck up? Yes, please follow
Applications,
this one. Guys. Please follow this. Okay. So from day 1 to day 10. So I need this one, guys. I need to delete the CentOS 7 and install the CentOS 7. Delete the every day. You need to delete the CentOS 7 and install the CentOS 7. Okay?
okay, bro.
Yes. Yeah, understood? Yeah.
Okay.
What we discussed in the last class, guys. What we discussed in the last class. Guys, tell me what we discussed. So yesterday is a
Testing
holiday,
process
right?
tool,
Sorry,
testing processing tools,
tester.
Text,
processing tools.
text processing tools.
Mm-hmm. What are those?
IPCon,
It
VI,
was TouchCat
touch
and
cat,
VI
VI.
Touch cat. Yeah. So what is the cast, guys?
to read the content of the
To
file.
read
Very good. To read the of the file.
content of the
Yes. What is touch?
touch can
Create the
create
file
the file or
without
the-
data.
Very good. So what is VM? VI or VA?
To edit the file.
To edit the file.
To create
Create,
to
the
edit or
file with
modify
data
edit.
the
and
text
Modify.
file.
you can modify it.
So how many modes are there?
Remotes,
Hmm.
Insert
command
mode,
mode, command mode,
command
exec mode,
insert and execute.
yeah, execution mode.
Very good, guys. Very good. Command,
Insert
set.
Insert
and execution mode.
execution mode.
Yeah, execution. So what we will do in the command mode, what we will do in the insert mode, what we'll do in the execution mode.
Command mode, I don't do anything.
We'll create in the command mode. We'll create a file, a text file. So using the VI editor, we insert some after creating the text file. We will insert. We will next go to the insert mode. Here
Mm,
we can edit the file something, right? Any uh,
Yeah.
like we will insert something type something,
Hmm.
and after that, we can escape the we can press the escape for the to exit the insert mode. After that, we can save that file, save
Hmm.
that file, and quit that. Save and execute exit that file. Here we can two ways. One is the uh, like we can use the command as the Q as the quit, and W is the saving. Uh, for QW is quit and saving. Uh,
Correct.
QW not is the forcefully we can quit, save and quit. However, after that, we can
Yeah, guys. Yeah, so very
yeah,
good. Very good. Please practice this, guys. Please practice. Sai Venkat Giant. So Vinay,
yes,
is Vinay Giant?
yeah,
Vinay, are you Giant?
yeah. I joined through mobile. Uh, just now I went to hospital. I'm returning to
Okay, okay,
home. Okay,
okay, okay, okay,
I'll connect through PC. Yeah, yeah, within 5 minutes.
okay, okay. Guys, understood, right? So you
Yeah,
guys are text processing tools, guys. Please practice this one. And so what we will discuss, we discussed about the all the commands, right? The file and text processing tools. Yeah, here I want to grep or something like a searches. Search the word or search the word in the file. How we can search it, guys? So cat slash etc log var
Yeah,
log
fine.
messages. So var log messages pipe grep hyphen I is nothing but a case sensitive. So what you are trying to search in this file, you are trying to search in this file by using error. So if you use the hyphen I is nothing but a case case sensitive. So case sensitive means it will search the it will search the if it is a capital, so if it is a capital or if it is a small or if it is a or if it is a both small or capital, it will search the hyphen I means case sensitive. It's a case sensitive, guys. So grep is nothing but a to search the to find the to search the word in the a file, guys. To search the a word in the a file. Yeah. And I want to execute the commands, multiple commands at a time. I want to execute the multiple commands at a time. Something like a ls semicolon mkdir hurry colon is colon or semicolon colon and cat var log messages. So you want to run the multiple commands at a time. If you want to run the multiple commands at a time, you can use the a semicolon symbol, semicolon a symbol, and you want to run the multiple commands and mkdir, mkdir hurry. You want to run the multiple commands at a time. Hurry. So if first one is executed, then only second one. If first one is success, then only the second one will execute the command. If the first one is success or not, so it will execute the second command. So or means either if it is a success or not, it will execute. But in the and symbol, this is and, this is or. If the first is success, then only it will execute the second command. So or means so if it is success or not, it will execute the second command. This is nothing but a and or, guys. So pipe and or grep. So these are the commands. And we have a files called so we have a commands called file and directory handling tools. So the commands are copy, move, remove. So move, copy, move, copy, remove. So these are the copy files, guys. I want to copy the directory. I want to copy the file. I want to copy the file. I want to copy the directory from one location to another location. How we can do it? So I want to move the file. I want to move the file from one location to another location. I want to delete the file. A remove is nothing but a delete. So how you can do it in the Linux, guys? Just right click and delete. Right? There is a delete option. But in the but in the but in the Linux, everything through commands only. Copy is nothing but a copy a file or dir from one location to another location. So this is nothing but a copy. A copy of file or directory from one location to another location. From one location to another location. Guys, so what is the example? Syntax is copy cp file name source and destination. Source destination. Source destination. Example. For example, copy hurry.txt. So hurry.txt, the destination is temp slash tmp slash tmp. It will copy hurry.txt to slash tmp directory slash tmp directory. So we have a options also there, guys. So we have a option. So hyphen options means the options you can use it or you cannot. You can use or you cannot use it, guys. So this is the copy. So move command. Move is nothing but a. So move we can use for. So move we can use the three types, guys. Move the file or a directory. Move the file or a directory from one location to another another location. So another location syntax, guys. A syntax. So we have a three ways we can use, guys. So this is the one way. So move the a file from one location to another location. And the second type is so rename the a file or a so rename the file or directory, guys. It will rename the file or directory. And the third option is it will hide and unhide the unhide the a file or a directory. So hide and unhide. So rename the file and move the file and move the file for the move. The syntax is so something like documents is the folder. Move documents from here to temp, temp, or move the move the file hurry.txt to /tm. For example, guys, wherever you can copy it. So move hurry.txt. So this is the directory moving and file moving. So rename the file. Move hurry.txt to morning class.txt. It will rename the a file or directory, guys. So it will rename the a file or a directory mm, mv. So something like a class. So class one is the directory, guys. So renaming to morning class one. So it is renamed the file or a directory and copy the move means it will move from one location to another location and hide and unhide. So move class one dot so if you want to hide the a directory or file, so before you can use the a dot symbol, before you can use the dot symbol, a class a one, so it will be hide, guys. It will not showing on the by using the ls command. Move I want to unhide the file. So here in the source we can so we source so in the source before you can use the dot symbol class one. So class one two. So class one. So this is nothing but a hiding, guys. This is the hiding the a file or a file or directory. So this is nothing but a unhide. It's nothing but a unhiding. Unhide the a file or a directory. Unhide the a file or a directory. So this is nothing but a renaming the a file or directory. So this is also a file or a directory. So this is nothing but a moving from one location to another location. So this is also from moving a file or directory from one location to another location, another location. Guys, now understood the commands of copy, move, and remove. So what is the remove? So remove means a delete. How we can delete a file or a directory? How we can delete the file or directory? File or directory to delete file or directory to delete the a file or directory. What is the syntax, guys? Syntax is nothing but syntax. So syntax is rm hyphen options rm hyphen options. So file or directory name. So file or a directory name. Example. Example, guys. What is the example, guys? rm hyphen r hyphen r is nothing but recursive, guys. What are the options? Hyphen r is nothing but a recursive. If you want to delete the so f means forcefully. What are those? Recursive, and forcefully. Recursive and forcefully. A file or something like a morning class one. You are trying to delete so morning class one. So if you are not using the hyphen hyphen F forcefully, it will ask the class 1. So here it is asking the yes or no. It is asking the yes or no if you want to delete the file or not. If you are not using the forcefully. Guys understood? Guys understood about the copy, move and remove commands? What is the command, guys? So what is the command for the copy? Guys, what is the command for copy? Guys are able to hear?
Yeah,
Yeah.
CP,
So what
CP,
is the command for
CP.
copy?
CP.
Guys,
CP had
C,
start taking
CP.
P is the command. What is the command for move? MV is the command. What is
And
the command for remove or
RM.
delete?
RM.
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 RM is the command. Guys, so these are the copy, move, and delete, remove command. So remove is for RM to remove the file or delete the file. So move is nothing but to move the file or directory from one location to another location, or rename the file or directory, or hide or unhide the file, a directory, a file or directory. So move command it will use for three ways. One is for moving the file, one is for renaming the file, one is for hide and unhide the files. Right? CP is copy the file from one location to another location. One location to another location. Yes, understood?
Yes, bro.
Guys, you can use to restart the session or to duplicate the session. You can use it here. Root, red. Yes. Yeah. So what is the command, guys? Cat slash etc or something like a
Var
var log
log.
messages pipe. So pipe is nothing but to execute the two commands. One is the input for the another command. So grep hyphen I error. I'm searching the so error word in the this file. Error word in the this file. So there is no error, right? I think system. Yeah, you see, guys. So whatever the system is there in the line, it will display that line. It will display that only that line. It will display only that a line. If you use the cat slash etc sorry slash var log slash var log messages in the slash var log messages, it will display everything. It will display the everything. But I don't want to display everything. I want to search a particular keyword. I want to search a particular keyword system. System. You see, guys, um, it will display the only small or only capital or with the combination of small and capital. It will display, guys. If you use the hyphen I, or if you use the only grep system in the capital or small or whatever it may be, system system. It will display only the system, guys. Only the capital system. So system. It will display only the a small. So it will display only S capital system. So it's include both the small and capital. So right, it will not display. So if you use the hyphen I for this, it will display. Hyphen I for this also. So small also it will display. Hyphen I means it will display both either capital, either small, or a combination of both small and capital. So that's the reason we are using the hyphen I symbol. We're using a hyphen I symbol for the case sensitive. As understood?
Yeah.
Yes, right? Yeah. So I want to display, I want to execute the commands mkdir. Hurry is there? Let me check ls. Yeah, there is no hurry. ls colon. So mkdir hurry cd hurry. Guys, it will display the, so it will display the list and then mkdir hurry. Yes, created the directory. Then cd hurry. So before we are in the tilt symbol, you see now we are in the which folder, guys? Now we are in the root hurry. So it automatically, so automatically go to the cd hurry, guys. So if you want to execute the multiple commands at a time, you can use the colon symbol. Guys, understood? The grep colon, copy. So copy ls. So copy cp hurry.txt to temp. So the original file will not move, guys. Just copying a file from one location to another location. cd temp ls. You see, guys. So hurry.txt is there. So hurry.txt is there. So it copy to, so the original file will be there, just it copying from, so one location to another location. Yes. So cp hurry.txt. So what is that? Hurry.txt slash temp. I want to, so the content will be same. I want to rename I want to copy with a different name. Morning.txt, for example, guys. So the content, whatever the content is there in the hurry.txt, the content will be copied to the morning.txt, but with a different name. So cat hurry.txt, sorry, cat hurry.txt. So cat slash tempo morning morning.txt. You see, guys, both the content are same, but the file names are different. So file names are different, right? Copy, what are the directories are there? So hurry.txt, hurry directory is there, right? So hurry directory is there. I want to copy the directory hurry dot hyphen r hurry directory to slash temp directory. Yeah, cd slash temp. Let's check. Hurry is copied. So the hurry is copied. cd dot cd, sorry guys, ls. Yeah, here hurry is there in the root directory and it copied to cd temp also there, the file, but it copied a copy of a file. So without to use so without hyphen r, we cannot copy the directory. So we cannot copy the directory. I will create a mkdir yes class 1. So I'm trying to copy US class 1 to slash temp or slash opt. You see, guys, omitting the directory because of, so definitely we can use the hyphen or recursive. Then only it will copy the directory. It will copy the directory. But in the file, you can use hyphen or not. It will execute, guys. Yeah. See cd slash opt ls. So so it will be there in the root folder and it will be there in the OPT directory also. It will be there in the OPT directory also. Guys, understood? So this is nothing but a copy of file. Copy something like ls. Copy hurry.txt. So where I am, guys? I am in the, so if you use the hash symbol before the command, guys, it will not execute. It's a command. It will not execute the command. Okay, ls. So pwd, where you are, I'm in the root directory. So I want to copy the file hurry.txt with a different name in the same location. Different name in the same location. Hurry 1.txt. Hurry 1. txt. You see, guys, both hari1.txt and hari.txt is there. Both are the same data. Both are the same data. Guys, you guys understood? Yeah. So this is a copy command. And next, a move command. So move ls, move us class one. Let's check the cd slash temp. In the temp directory where you are, I'm in the temp directory. In the temp directory, US class 1 is there? No, there is no US class 1. So, cd ls move command US class 1 to slash temp. It will move the file from one location to another location, the original file. Let's check. Yeah, there is no US class 1 file. I'm, I'm moving from slash temp. So, slash temp, there is a US class 1. Again, I'm moving to US class 1 to slash root. Yeah, is it there? No. Again, you can go to the home directory of your root and the US class is there. So the original file will be moved from one location to another location. So the second point is rename the file also, right? Rename the file or directory. Move hari.txt to txt to something like trophy.txt. So I'm renaming the hari.txt to trophy.txt. Let's check. Yeah, there is no hari.txt here. There is no hari.txt is there. Rename it to, so rename to rafi.txt. Rafi.txt. Move vs class 1 is renamed to vs class 2. Check it. So it's renamed to vs class, a file and directory. In file and directory will rename. And next, hide and unhide. Move hari1.txt. Yeah, how you can check the hidden files, right? How you can check it. How you can check it, the hidden files. In ls, I'm not seeing the hidden files. Yeah, first I will create the hide the file. Move hari.txt. Sorry, yes. Hari1.txt to. So this is so in the destination before you need to put the dot symbol. Hari1.txt. Hari1.txt. Yeah, you see, guys. So if you use the ls command, is it showing the hari1.txt? No, because of this file is hide. This file is hide. So I want to see the hidden files. What is the command? ls-la. What is the command, guys? So ls-la to see the hidden files and directories. To see the hidden files and directories. What is the command, guys? ls-la. So this is the command. You see, guys, the dot symbol before the dot, either file or a directory. So ls-la, it will display the hidden files and normal files and directories also. You see, guys. So hari.txt, hari1.txt is so it's a hiding. It's a hiding. So how you can check it by using the ls-la. I want to unhide this hari1.txt. I want to unhide this hari1.txt. Move dot hari1.txt to hari.txt. So if you want to unhide source before, we need to put the dot. If you want to hide the destination before, you want to put the dot symbol. You want to put the dot symbol. ls. Yeah, now you see. Sorry. So we renamed with the hari also. Something like the hari one. So dot hari.txt, the file. So unhiding and rename. unhiding and renaming with the hurry.txt. Guys, understood? So this is nothing but a move command. Next command, guys, rm. So rm is nothing but a remove hyphen options. Hyphen options. What are the options? R and F, recursive and forcefully. So the name, file name, file or a directory name, file or a directory name. rm hyphen r. What are the files or directories? rm hyphen r hurry.txt. So without R, I will show you. Without using R, it will ask the, so a remove regular file hurry. If you press yes, it will delete. So if you press no, it will not delete. Right? So if you are not using the hyphen R recursively or forcefully, it will not run. So something like rm hyphen f hurry.txt. So without asking the permission, it automatically deletes because of you set as a option hyphen f is nothing but a forcefully. So forcefully remove. Rm hyphen R, you need to use the hyphen R symbol for deleting the directory. So you see, so it is asking. So why you are not setting the forcefully? No, rm hyphen rf. You can use rf. So without asking your permission, it automatically deleted. So because of you set as a recursively and forcefully. So recursively and forcefully. Guys, so did I told the absolute path and relative path, guys? The meaning of the absolute path and relative path?
No, bro.
No, bro.
No, right? Absolute path and relative path. So guys, what is absolute path? What is relative path, guys? What is absolute path and what is relative path? Does anyone knows what is absolute path and what is relative path, guys? So the absolute path means wherever you are, you can execute any command. Any command. So wherever you are, you can execute any command. But if you want to relative path, go to that path and execute the command. Execute the command. So that is nothing but a relative path. So what is absolute path, for example, guys? So where the messages file is there, guys. Where is the messages file is there? In which location the messages files is there, guys? So the messages file is there in which location? Where
Where
log,
log
where
messages.
log messages. So in the var directory, within the var directory, there is a log directory. So within the log directory, there is a messages a file is there. So there is a messages file is there. I want to I want to see the logs. I want to see the logs. PWD. I'm in the slash root. I'm in the which directory, guys? I'm in the right root directory. I'm in the root directory, but I want to see the logs. I want to see the logs. How we can see it? So how we can see it the logs? So how we can see it the messages? How we can? I want to read the content of this file, guys. I want to read the content of this file. So without going to cd, something like I want to go to cd aware and cd a log, cd log. Then you can execute the command something like cat messages. So cat messages. I don't want to execute these command. I want to execute a command wherever I am. So wherever I am. For example, I am in the OPT folder. I am in the OPT directory. I want to execute this. I want to see the content of this file. How we can see it? Cat slash aware log messages. So directly you are seeing where you are. You are in the directly you are seeing where you are, something like will you see pwd. I'm executing the command slash where a log messages. It is executed, right? It is executed. It is executed. Cd opt. I'm going to opt folder. I'm where I am. I'm in the opt folder. Cat aware log messages. Yeah. So I'm in the which directory, guys? I'm in the PWD OPT directory. I'm in the OPT directory, but I'm able to see the log messages. The log messages will be available at the var log in the var directory. Within in the var directory, there is a log directory. In the log directory, there is a messages a file. There is a messages file, guys. Guys, understood? So this is nothing but a absolute path. Absolute path means wherever you are, you can execute any command. So you can execute any command with the with full path, with a full path. So absolute relative path is nothing but a so the relative path is go to that path and execute the command. The same like this. You are in the root folder. You need to you need to go to the var, then cd log, then cat messages. So this is nothing but a relative path. So where the log files are available, cd var, cd log, cd a log, then cat message. So this is nothing but a relative path. This is nothing but a relative path. Guys, understood? So absolute path and relative path. You can create a directory. So you can create a directory by using the relative path cd slash root. So cd mkdir Hari, or for example Hari 1. So then you can go to you want to create the another directory within the Hari directory. cd Hari 1. Then you can create the mkdir Hari 1 or something like if you want to go to the Hari 1. So here Hari 2, guys, a little bit confusion. So you want to create the Hari 2. Hari 2, right, guys? So if you want to create the within the directory, first you need to create the directory and go to the directory. Create the directory and go to the directory. So go to the directory. So this is nothing but a relative path. So this is nothing but a relative path. So in the absolute path, I want to create a directory within the directory. So how you can create mk dir hyphen p is nothing but a parent directory. You can create slash root Hari. So you are creating the Hari directory. You want to create another directory hyphen p. Don't go to that file. So Hari 1 dot Hari 1. So you created a Hari 1. So you are in the where you are pwd. You are in the root folder. Where you are in the root folder, or something like you are in the OPT folder, or something like wherever you are. I'm in the var log. I'm in the var log directory. But I want to create a Hari directory. Within the Hari directory, Hari 1 directory. So within the Hari 1 directory, I want to create another directory called slash root Hari 1 slash Hari 2. You guys, so this is nothing but a absolute path. You can create the directory, you can create the file. So you can create you want to create the file. How you can create, guys? You want to create a file. How you can create the file? By using the vi command. Vi slash etc to something like hari.txt. or something like vi slash slash root slash hurry one. We're going to hurry one, then hurry two. Here I want to create a hurry.txt. So where you created the file, guys, you created the file. So within this directory, the same way I showed you, right? CD, I want to enp s03. I want to modify the file. I want to modify the file with absolute path. With with absolute path. With what absolute path? How you can do it, guys? Where this file is located? This file is located in the vi slash etc. What is this? Sysconfig sysconfig network hyphen
Scripts.
script. So if cfg hyphen enp s03. So this is the absolute path. I want to modify the file. I want to edit the file. So by using absolute path or a relative path. Relative path. So what is the relative path, guys? First you need to go to directly cd etc cd sysconfig cd
Network
network
scripts.
network hyphen script. So then, so there is a file called ls. So here vi ifcfg hyphen enp nps03. So this is nothing but a relative path. So this is nothing but a absolute path. Guys, now you understood? So absolute path means wherever you are, you can execute the path. But the relative path means definitely you need to go to that path. You need to go to that path. Then only you can modify the file, or you can create the file, or you can delete the file, you can edit the file, whatever you want to, guys, whatever you want to. So the commands will execute in the Linux. So where you are executed in the shell, guys. Where you are executed, you are executed commands in the shell. Guys, tomorrow I ask the task is a task to write, guys. So what is a shell? What is a shell and how many types of shells? How many types of shells are there? Guys, this is the task, guys. Okay. So the task is, so what is a shell? How many types of shells are there? So you are executing the commands in the shell prompt only. So you are executing the commands in the shell prompt only. So I will show you guys. cd echo dollar shell. So which shell we are using, guys? Pin bash shell we are using. So this block prompt is nothing but a shell, guys. So where you are executing your commands, you are executing your commands in the shell prompt. You are executing your commands in the shell point. Guys, what is a shell? So how many types of shells are there? This is the task, guys. So this is the a task. So this is the a task. We can execute the commands in two ways. So we can execute the commands in two ways. So what are those, guys? So we can execute the commands in two ways. So what are those, guys? Tell me. So we can execute the commands in two ways. So what are those? So in your Linux machine, you can execute the commands in two ways. We can execute the every commands in two ways. What are those, guys? Guys are able to hear or not? Hello?
Yes, bro.
Why are you not responding, guys? Please respond. Are you able to understand or not? Hello?
It's understandable.
Yes, I understand.
Understanding, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I already told you, right? So we can execute the commands in two ways. What are those? One is a relative path, and the
And
another one is
absolute call.
yes, very good. So we can execute the commands in two ways. So one is
Absolute
absolute
path.
path, and the second one is a relative path. So we can execute any command, guys. We can execute any command in two ways. So one is absolute path, and the other one is a relative path. The other one is a relative path. Guys, you can execute any command in two ways, absolute and a relative path, guys. So very good, guys. Yep, guys. So the task is I already told you, right, guys? So the task is OS, delete,
Delete and
and
install.
install. So the second task is shell. What is shell? And I will ask. So tomorrow also holiday, guys. Tomorrow also holiday, and Friday also holiday, guys. So we will take the class from Monday. So Monday will be class, guys. Monday I will take 2 hours, guys. I will take a 2 hours session. Guys, anyone having any issues? Any concerns about the 2 hours class?
No, bro.
No,
No,
bro.
No,
bro.
right? Or
No, bro.
anyone, guys, anyone having any issues?
No, bro. Good, bro.
No, right?
No, bro.
Yeah. So Monday we'll take the 2 hour session, guys. So we'll complete it mostly the commands part, and we'll start the user administration, user administration, or of file permissions. Then yes, guys. So we'll start the we'll start a user administration or a file permissions after the 2 hours session, guys. So 2 hour session. So we will complete all the commands. Then we will start the user administration file permissions. Then the repository. So then we will close it the Linux, guys. So we'll close it the Linux. Then we'll start the cloud, guys. To start the cloud, we'll start the cloud. What is cloud? Why cloud? I will show it to you guys. No worries, guys. So from starting to now, you guys are clear about this, or anyone having any doubts? You are good, right, guys?
Yeah.
Yes,
Are you able
Yes,
to
Yes,
bro.
bro.
understand,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah, yeah. Yes, bro.
Yes, bro.
Yeah, very good, very good. So please practice, guys. The relative, absolute, and relative path, guys. So this is also a real time, guys. So you can execute the command two ways, either absolute path or a relative path. Okay, and the shell, you guys can delete and uninstall and install the OS. The shell, what is a shell? Types of shells. You guys can search it anywhere, guys. Search it anywhere, but I need an answer.
Okay.
Search it anywhere, but I need a answer, guys. So the every day I'm asking the questions, guys. So because of you need to learn, right? Definitely you need to learn, and you will get it good knowledge.
Okay,
Okay.
bro.
Yeah. Thank you,
Bro,
guys.
I got IP addresses also, bro. I
Sorry.
didn't on one. I said, starting of the test, I didn't get the IP
Ah.
address. Now I get, bro. Why? Because I didn't switch on one adapter while installing. So that's why I didn't got the
Okay.
IP address.
Now you got it,
Now
huh?
I will get. And now I got it.
Super, super. Guys, please do it. Please do it. Please log into through only Putty. Okay. In the real time, we are using only Putty. We are not using the virtual machines. We are not using here. So we will not go to the data center. We will not go to the cloud. So we are connecting either cloud servers or a virtual data center servers. Everything will connect through the Putty only, guys. Please, please, please. what you can do, guys, you can get the IP address and you connect from the putty only. Okay,
Yes, sure.
guys. So we'll continue on Monday, guys. Thank you so much.
Okay. Thank you.
Yep, thank you.